This is Paul David Tripp's new Morning Mercies daily devotional. I got this as a gift, and I've re-gifted it so many times since I first received it. You can tell from the stains on the cover and the binder how much use I've gotten out of it. And I continue to use it on a regular basis and love to share it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about what I like about this book. Here's a sample from January 3rd. If eternity is the plan, then it makes no sense to shrink your living down to the needs and wants of this little moment. When I first received this book, I'd honestly never heard of Paul David Tripp, but I can tell you now I am a huge fan. Each devotion is just a page in length. It usually starts off with a theme, and then he'll give 3 to 4 paragraphs really elaborating on those thoughts, and then closing with a scripture verse that corresponds with the message. What I like most about Paul David Tripp's devotional is that he's a deep thinker. This is more than just a positive thought or encouraging word for the day. He's really going to get your wheels turning and challenge your views on God and what that means for you and how you live your life and your outlook on the entire purpose and meaning for why you exist. And that's how I like to start my day. If you want some deep thinking, really want to get your wheels turning in the morning, New Morning Mercies will be a great book for you.